The way you moving your body from left and right, you own somebody.
Hi guys, hello, welcome once again to my channel. If you are new, I am Susanita Efe, and if you are a returning subscriber, you're darling. You guys, today's video I will be sharing with you guys different ways to tie a scarf. I am rocking one style right here, so you guys, if you want to see different ways how to rock a scarf, keep on watching this video. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and leave a comment down below. Let me know which is your favorite scarf tying method. Please subscribe to my channel after watching this video. Yes, let's keep the family growing. So let's get right into today's tutorial.
One plus one is one.
Crazy, but this is all I am.
All who tell me something where I know fit do. Yo go my love too. Money, modeji. I hope you're ready, cause it's all who feeling the boy. She feeling the boy.
Baby Nayoka, I want to know what's up. Your honey pot, my number one in town. If you cooking, I cook up, begin, I cook. Anywhere she enter, baby, they cause casala.
Girl, you're behind is a killer. I can see you sensual.